Today we are here at the Festilumi. It is in Marché Central, Montreal. So that's the whole compound where this festival is happening right now. You need to park there in front of the Walmart parking, and this is the entrance where we enter. Take your tickets here and then we can move inside. Here they'll check your tickets, and then once that's done, you can also buy some snacks right here. Post that, you can enter right here and the festival begins. So when you enter it, there are these big massive horses, and the picture, the landscape is just phenomenal. So this is on the entrance, and if we see a closer look on these, they look very beautiful. And there are these aisles that will take you to each section. So this is the first section that we are looking at, and as soon as we start walking through these aisles, there are different sections, and there is a big horse that you will pass through, and it's very gigantic. So the next section is the dragons and polar bears, and then you'll also see some big fishes over here, and also some Chinese architecture. And here there is this big dragon that is on the second section, and it's seriously it's super big. And as you move along, you'll see many other specific scenes from the Chinese architecture and their history. So this is like a gate that you will usually find in some of the temples in China and Japan. And also then you'll see some of the different mannequins here doing certain activities, tasks. So this is the second section where you will find all these different variety of outfits. As you can see, there are different colors. One is more darker, another one is a bit lighter. So, and there's also a lighted desk if you want to take some pictures. And then you finally exit this section number 2 through this massive gate. You can take some pictures if you want. And as soon as you exit this, you'll enter this next section where you'll find this big Santa hugging the tourist, and some big gifts lighted. And there's also this heated rooms where you can just come in and sit and click pictures with the Santa. So they have a couple of them over there. If it's cold, you can definitely use them and click some pictures. As soon as you exit them, you have a beautiful scenery, different candies, and some snowmans, some pyramids, some deers. So this is a section when you exit the heated dome, and then you come here and you can enjoy some churros, with some chocolate if you want. And here's the center stage wherein you can click some pictures with some folks dressed up. And then after that, you can pass this section through a very beautifully decorated tunnel that's in front of us. Yes, it's this one. So as soon as you exit this, you will enter in a very different zone. This is the next section where they have these beautiful trees, very big pumpkins, and these are huge containers. You see on the right, that's black, they're painted black, and all the trees, they look so beautiful. And then you have an old tractor over here, just a piece to showcase. And then if you need some hot coffee or hot chocolate, they do have a cafe in this section that you can definitely take advantage of, because this is winter time and definitely you will feel cold here. So that's something here for tourists. And then as we move out of this section, the next one is also very beautiful. They have these long and very huge strings of light, and they look just beautiful. You can see them. You need to just walk through these, and as you walk, you'll feel very cold, because this is the blue color. And now in front of me, there is this massive drawings on the screen. You'll see right there. So very beautiful view. And then there's small ride that you can enjoy. We did enjoy this one. There is an entry, I think $5 or $10 I believe per person, and this was very nice activity. Definitely a must try. And because it's winter time, like I said, it's very nice. You know, you'll see children shouting here and there. But yeah, so after that, the next section is I believe this is more of a Lebanese section. You'll see some kind of Lebanon, you know, architecture and theme here. So when you move like towards the end of the section, you'll see some markets, like, you know, there's Aladdin and some markets, old school markets that are displayed. You'll see some fruits, and then this is the spider web, all the red and giant spider in the middle. So the next section after this is the penguins, and you'll see these tiny, you know, beautiful igloos. Some are tiny, some are big, but definitely something that looks very you know, amazing during the night. This snow and the white snow and the blue lights under the igloo looks very beautiful, and a tiny penguin waiting. And there's this big whale here where people just you know, having fun and clicking pictures around it. And so after this section, there is a section where there are a lot of dogs. So definitely something that dog lovers would love. And there are very tiny dogs all around this place, and some big ones as well. So after this section, then you'll find some more animals and different types of plants and, you know, some other animals in this section. So this is a very you know, huge section. Here you'll find, like I said, ducks and penguins and a lot of other things you'll see here. Definitely something you should visit. And then in front of me you'll see that there are some elephants in yellow, and there's a baby elephant as well. So I have captured like what I could, the most of it, but definitely what you see in the video, that would be much better when you see it live in front of you. So a must visit place. So when you exit this section, after that there is a last section that has this dragon gates, and as soon as you enter this one, you will see something different. Yes, a big dinosaur, and this totally feels real, guys. So definitely a place that you must visit. And I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, please hit the like button, share your comments, and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot.